friend, and welcome to my channel! Let's draw a sprite from My Little Pony together. Are you ready? Let's start! Draw an oval for the eye, a curved line for the eyelid. Draw an oval for the areas of the eye. Then draw the iris and a small oval like I do. Now draw the other eye. Draw a curve for the nose and a semicircle for the mouth. Draw a small line in the shape of a letter V for the tooth. Then draw a small curved line for the nostril. Draw the top on the cheek with a curved line, 3 lines in the shape of an upside down letter U, and a horizontal line. Draw a curved line for the head, a line in the shape of the letter V, 4 lines in the shape of an inverted U of different sizes for the crest, a curved line, a semicircle for the cheek, and 2 curved lines for the bottom of the head. Draw 2 curved lines for the eyebrows. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape! Now draw the arm with a curved line, an upside down U-shaped line, a curved line, 4 V-shaped lines, a curved line and a diagonal line. Draw a V-shaped line for the back. Draw a semicircle for the belly. Draw the leg with a curved line, an inverted V-shaped line, a curved line, and a wavy line. Then draw a small semicircle for the knee and 2 curved lines for the toes. Draw the second leg the same way. Follow me while I'm drawing it. Draw a curved line for your cheek. Then draw a curved line for the body. Now, draw the tail with a wavy line. Draw an arrow-shaped line. Then draw another curved line. Split the tail with a wavy line. Then draw curved lines on the belly and under the tail, like I do. Draw 4 semicircles for the crest and the tail. Draw a V-shaped line for the second arm. Wow! Our drawing turned out really well! Well done! Now let's take the colors. Use black for the pupils and eyelids. light green for the mouth, belly, and underside of the tail. Use the darkest green for the quiff above the cheek. Get an even darker green for the eyes, the crest on the tail, and the head. And use purple for the head and body. Excellent! Our friend Spike turned out great and is ready to play with you! Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!